Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore a suspended Shopify account with Shopify Support, full guide step by step clearly. To restore a suspended Shopify account, start by understanding the reason for the suspension. Visit the Shopify Help Center to find relevant articles on account suspensions. Gather all necessary information about your account, including your store name and email address associated with the account. Check your email inbox for any messages from Shopify regarding the suspension. Look for any specific reasons outlined in the email that can guide your next steps. Prepare a clear and concise explanation of your situation. Address any issues mentioned in the notification email. Visit the Shopify support page to access their contact options. Choose between live chat, email, or phone support, depending on your preference. If opting for live chat, wait for a representative to become available. Introduce yourself and provide your store name and account details. Explain the situation clearly and politely, mentioning the suspension reason if known. Ask for specific steps to resolve the issue. If you have made necessary changes to your store, let them know about these adjustments. Follow any advice or instructions provided by the support representative. Document all communications for your records. If you are given a time frame for the review process, be patient, but follow up if needed. Check your email regularly for updates regarding your account status. Once your account is restored, review Shopify's policies to avoid future issues. Finally, ensure your store complies with all guidelines to maintain good standing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.